First, open your browser and search for MyBib. Then, click on Free MLA Citation Generator. After searching for MyBib, click on Free MLA Citation Generator. After that, paste the link of the website that you are using for your research essay in the space to the left of the search button. Click on the search button after copying and pasting the link. Information about the website will appear below the link and search button. Click on the information. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Immediately after copying, paste the link into page 3 below Bibliography section. Redo the whole procedure if you want to use another website.